round thing. What I call round things.
And then from 3 to your...
Hold on. This is how we get stuff done around here. But it's all going to be in the truck.
No fear, it's all going to be in the truck
Yeah.
at some point in time.
Oh yeah. Okay, that works.
Fuel pump works.
Where do we have that? Oh, it's hooked up.
Yeah.
Woo, fuel pump works. I didn't even know we hooked that up. Didn't we, man? Okay, so that's number 7. And
Where did you get your ground from?
oh, I think it's grounded through the
fuel
frame.
pump, yeah.
No, the kind of wires are kind of worn through it a little. So technically, I think it's just grounded to the frame. To the frame. That's an electrician's term.
Simon's top quality fuel pump wiring. It's looking pretty good.
So, do I need to do a double whammy or a triple whammy? Just a double.
Double.
No, but then I need to go in, then I need another double whammy coming off number 3. Right?
Yeah.
Boys, oh boys, all these double whammies. Don't even look at that wiring. We prefer to use just one color of wiring.
Delete this for the insurance claim. They better not show that video to anybody.
If we just do it right under here. Tape that right there. And don't let those come off. Or the whole start sequence will be aborted. Okay, so we need shit.
Yeah, you got a washer?
Okay, don't put that on there. Something's grounded.
Did you touch the jet?
No.
Do it again.
What do you mean, do it again?
Whoa.
Or
Are
did
you holding something or no?
right? Wonder if that contactor is, you know what we did? This needs to go on the other side, here. We did the opposite sides.
Oh, those aren't positive.
I don't think so.
No.
Okay. Get in the air. Kill it. Yeah. Come here, Luke. Put your mitts on. Oh, you gotta put your mitts on. What are you doing? Gonna hold it?
We'll be spraying water on you.
Hit the door! Woo! Here we go! You ready to fire signature? Or just the whole thing? Go. So we've got the propelling nozzle on, and now it's time to get this baby going, see if it's got any thrust. I don't know if it fixed my oiling problem. I don't think I did. I think there's something just plugged up. It's not allowing the oil to drain through the casing into the scavenge pump. So I have an idea. I'm going to drill out the rib that the oil goes through, and I'm just going to route it into the scavenge pump area myself. Forget it. Make it happen. Gonna make it work. That's what we do. That's how we roll. Go over here! got to be able to see the thrust. In order to see the thrust, you got to see stuff flying. In order to see stuff flying, you got to go somewhere where there's some stuff that can fly. That's how we get things done. Just don't want to sit there and blast into the atmosphere without seeing stuff flying. Nobody wants to see that. And if you look ahead, that's a whole bunch of wood chips. I want to see wood chips flying. We'll try that. What do you think? I'm thinking that's good.
Like your hat?
Like that. I made that myself. Okay, everybody.
Plan, Stan.
Gonna start her up. I figure in order to see if we got any more thrust than what we had, we gotta aim it at something that makes some stuff fly a little bit.
Okay. And that's flammable.
And it's flammable.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give her a go. And I gotta point it uphill a little bit. If there's too much thrust, you know, it won't ramp it right up there. So we'll start it up once and then we'll bring it on the flats and see if it'll move it. But I'm gonna need, come on over here, Ryan. You get the honors there, big guy. It's gonna get loud in a hurry. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. You get to throw the switches because they're not inside the truck right now. Okay? I need to go in, I have to open the fuel. Yep. So you're gonna lift this, you're gonna hit the start, the fuel pump's gonna go. Then you're gonna hit the start, sorry, that's the master. Then you're gonna hit the start button,
Yep.
and it's gonna wind that thing right up. And after
Switch after 5 seconds.
yeah, and then you can hit those both at the same time. And when I tell you to cut the power, you need to cut the ignition and this one off. I need the master going because that's for my fuel pump. Okay, so you're gonna.
Oh, so this is just for the starting.
That's the starting sequence.
Yeah, we're just shutting the bitch off by the fuel pump.
No, I shut it off with the fuel cutoff lever. You leave that fuel pump on. So you're gonna throw the master switch. Fuel pump's gonna start. Then you're gonna hit the start and the igniter at the same time. Then you're just gonna back up and look at me. You're gonna hear this puppy fire, okay? And then you're gonna know. I'll tell you when to kill. I'll tell you when to kill the. Yeah.
What's the signal for shutting?
Okay, everybody. I would stand back maybe somewhere where a flying part of jet engine can't hit anybody. Maybe up here. You're in a bad spot. I wouldn't sit there because the side of that engine comes out, it's gonna go through your truck. That's jet physics.
Boy, that's reassuring. So master switch, start and ignition, same time.
Give her.
Run.
Give her.
Ready?
Yep. notice an increase in RPM?
Not really.
No.
I think we lost.
So you had good oil pressure?
I had good oil pressure, but it's not ramping up. You know, it could be a. Yeah, I need it. Hey, Keely, can you go grab a couple quarts of oil? You know where it is? You know the. I think I got it.
Bring a 17 and 19.
Yeah, 17 and 19. Well, we lost us some oil. So what I'll do is I'm going to take it on the flats this time. I'm going to take it right there. We'll just see if it'll move the truck. But it's not ramping up. I'm not getting my, I'm not getting any speed out of it. So that's the high. It's not getting maybe that. I'm wondering if there's something going on with that fuel pump. Maybe I'll try sort of flushing it again. Where did that tube go? It takes about 15 seconds, 12 to 15 seconds for it to actually spool up. So this time I'll just crank it and, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds, see what happens. What do you think, Simon? Sound like a plan?
Turbine oil. What, just the screw came out or the whole?
Yeah, the bottom came off. I wouldn't tighten anymore. I sort of did it. Should be all right.
The round one?
The one at the very front there. It won't-
out there, lads.
Wow, that puts out a lot of heat. 14 bucks a liter. Huh. I think I only lost probably a liter.
Did you dip it? Did it show up? No.
I didn't show up on the dipstick, so I may have been burning some too, like last time, right?
They're rolling?
Oh yeah, it's on. It's all there is.
What are you doing there, Logan? Val? You got a fluorescent coat on. It can't be that hard to see.
Throw another one in.
How old are you?
You ever? I'm gonna start running 10W30 in this thing if it keeps going through oil like this.
539.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna pull over on the road there, on the flats. Switch to the motor.
Rolling.
Go back Maybe it's stripped out on the
That's
inside.
all stripped out.
Couldn't even see that.
You saw it, I guess.
Oh yeah, I saw
Well,
it right away.
I was watching it this time. I didn't even see it. Bogged right up.
You nailed it. Can't get these filters out really anymore. They won't really sell them to anybody who's not
Oh, really?
a plane, yeah, because they're pretty rare, right? Like, yeah, we don't want to sell these to anybody who doesn't own a plane. Gotta keep the planes flying.
What's blowing, that same thing?
Well, no, the filter fell, blew right off the
Yeah,
bottom.
I said it was loose when I went to. I didn't even touch it. It was all loose.
I wonder if it's stripped out in the casing.
Just
When
tilt
I
it up
got
on the
it,
side.
Was it the 17 mil?
Yeah.
When I got it, it was all. The first time I turned it over, that one oil started blowing out the bottom of it, and it was all kind of corroded and stripped and crappy in there. That's what's happening. She is striped. So we got to rig up something.
Duct tape.
Just weld it right around it.
Minor oil leak.
How'd she sound? Did she sound good?
That's awesome.
She's ready to rip. Wiring works like a charm.
It really does. I mean, it's just a flick of a switch. Yeah. It's super awesome. Okay. Yeah, I'll go back to the normal one. Go, Simon.
A lot worse.
Well, there we go. She's not looking good, boys. I'm going to be honest with you. You know, when I got this engine, because all that water had been in the top of the gearbox, gear housing, or the gearbox, I guess you call it. It had drained, it had gotten into the scavenge pump area in the high pressure oil filter. When I took that out, it was just all water. So things weren't looking good then, and the oil's not really returning the way it's supposed to. And now I don't have full throttle. So it's not looking good for the jet, but I'm not giving up. I have a few other things I'm trying to figure out, and hopefully there might be another jet engine in my future. So working on it, but I'm still not done. I'm going to see if I can drill and tap that so I can attach that oil filter better, and then I'm going to go out and give it a good run up and see what's going on. It is what it is. It was a dumpster jet engine. Rock and roll. Okay, let's go.